What's up, traders? My name's John, and looks like my screen is a little off here. Maybe I can show a little more real estate. I don't know. We'll see. See how it looks. I don't know what I did wrong, but maybe able to move some things around here and show some more of my trading screen. Really cool. All I did was edit this I can't remember what it's called, the resolution. See what we can figure out as time progresses. How's everyone doing? Move this out of the way. Let's see. Golly, there's so much real estate available. Gotta figure it out. I guess the chart is kind of the most important part, right? My opinion. Get rid of day traders. How much room to the right do we have? That's wild. Pardon me, just moving some things around, that's all. You can see the screen better, all that good stuff, so. Test this out and see how it works. So far on the day, we have about, I don't know how many $1,000 we're in the green. 1, 2, about 4,000, give or take. Trade a little bit pre-market and a little bit market open. keep it that way for now. See the screen really good. I like it. All right. So far, the market's been buying up. So I've taken some plays up here, but it looks like she wants to hit the 22,000 range. Looks like we already did. That's what I get for not paying attention. I called it earlier, 22K, definitely going to hit it. Now I'm thinking we're going to continue to blow through it. But $15-minute chart looks very bullish. How's that? Looks good. Great. Switch back over to the 5-minute here. Not sure I want to trade this. I mean, I've already secured a nice bag for the day, so just going to hang tight and see what we get. I really need to pass these accounts, though, so I do want to find some more trades. I just want to hang tight, though, and wait for the optimal setup. Still trying to figure out the best layout over here. Looks good. guess my mic was muted, but on the daily chart here, we're in this nice little channel to the upside. I'm thinking over the next few days we might hit this new all-time high, make some new all-time highs. So overall, I'm pretty bullish. This is the daily chart. Check out the 4-hour, and you can see. Let me just take these indicators off. That way, it's not in the way. You can see we're still in that little channel to the upside, working our way up. And we're not far off, just a few $100 away from new all-time highs. So I'm hoping we hit those pretty soon. I've been optimistic for a while about it. You know, over the next few days, we'll continue to work our way up, I think. I'm not 100% sure. We do have that war going on with Iran and Israel, and then the U.S. striking. So I thought we were going to be pretty bearish, but I'm not always right. I'm never always right. And if you look at the 30-minute, that was the 1 hour. 30-minute, I mean, looks pretty bullish. Short term, kind of bearish, but if we can make some new highs here, that'd be great. We may retest this area here in the 730 range, or even the 800 if it gets to that point. So 15-minute, my favorite chart. It's looking great. Looks like it wants to push up, but time will tell. Overall, I mean, we have a nice little wick right here to the upside. That was the opening bell. Came shooting down and then back up. So anyway, moving on. My charting is done for the day. 22,120 is my target right now. If we can get past that, that's our most recent high. And then before that, it's 22,200 range. So we'll see what we get. It's got to come down again, though. It has to somewhere, some point. But where? That's what we're trying to figure out. All right. Live chat in here. Beautiful. Good morning, Kasim. How you doing? How's the new setup look to you? Does it look okay? There's so much real estate. Good deal. Thank you, sir. Hope you're doing well. If we can dip back down to the 69.70 range, I'll take a long position. I believe in your setup. I was just wondering how it worked, how it looks on the screen on your end. I'm looking at it on my end, and initially it's pretty wide, kind of like a theater mode. But if you click on theater mode, it makes it a little bigger. Seems like, I don't know. Regardless, hopefully it looks good. All right, I'd like to take a buy right here. Buy one limit here.
Order submitted.
Doesn't look like we're gonna get that, so if it takes too long, I want to be out. But for now, I'm gonna cancel the order and just wait.
Order canceled.
Kasim said 100 USD needed for my 50K combine. Probably I will take a trade tomorrow. Cool, man. You're about to pass, huh? Make sure you take it easy. Just don't risk too much. You're so close. I would wait for a really good setup. Every one of my accounts right now are in the green. I kind of like this buy right here. Let's take it for now. Take a small risk, just one contract. I'm looking for 50 to 100 bucks in profit. If it comes down in here, I'm still okay with the trade. I'm kind of barcoding, so I expect a nice little pop to the downside, to the upside, all that good stuff. Thank you, sir. Good luck to you as well. There's my 50. Let's get it. Nice. More than we bargained for, right? Beautiful.
Order canceled.
Take another barcode trade here in a moment. I'm looking for another buy when it comes down to this area, if it does. Otherwise, I'm hanging out. It's kind of flagging right now, so can't see all the chat. Feel sorry for all the people that went short right here. Ooh. Pretty wild times. Pretty wild times. Should have stayed in. Nice little $200 profit there. I'm all about those quick bucks, though. Too late to get in long right now, though. Wait for the retrace. Really looks like it wants to come up more. It's funny how my blue light back here looks purple. Blue. Like a nice dark blue. Yeah, she's going up. It's moving too slow though. Needs to chill. I'm gonna go grab a drink real quick. I'll be right back. I kind of want to buy into this. I might attempt it just one contract here.
Order submitted.
It's a little bit big of a bar for me to stay in too long. These are evals that we're trading to. Not all of them, but some of them. Have 2 minutes left of this candle. If we can reject and go back up, it's a nice little payday. And again, just one contract. Nothing too crazy. Stay calm and collected. I was about to jump in for another contract if it stayed down. All right, we're in the green mostly. Come on. Few seconds left of this candle. All right, I'm going to de-risk to the bottom of this candle just because it's kind of pushing down. Next leg down is where we're at right now. So de-risk, bad trade. Could still work out for a nice little. All right, maybe not.
Order canceled.
We're still green on all our accounts. We only lost a little bit of money, not much at all. Let's see how much we lost on it. I think we lost $60, but we could have stayed in and would have been fine, I guess. The big red candle, over surpassing this, engulfing this previous candle kind of scared me out. So gave back some profits, but not too much. Not too much. Longer term, though, this might come down a little bit to this box. Might try another buy here. Give it just a moment. Looks like it wants to come down a little bit, so I'm gonna hang tight. I gotta see if this is working because I'm getting an error on YouTube here. So one moment. Seems all right. Cannot get comfortable in my seat here. Like I said, it's coming down to this box, so I'm gonna hang tight. Give it a little time to do its thing. While we're at it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Nice bar down. Will we hold the box? My live account is suffering right now. I don't really trade it much just because, I don't know, it's never there. Took a few trades, but might need to take some more. Give the market a little moment to do what it's doing here. Are we at the end of the run up? What goes up must come down, right? I don't know. I don't know. I feel like it wants to come up even more though. I might try a long position here just to see
Order
if we
filled.
can print a little money for our live account, but I think we're kind of at the bottom of where this candle's going to go. Not 100% sold on it, but looking at the 5 minute, it looks like a nice little retrace and then pop further to the upside. We'll see. I don't even know if I can buy another.
Order submitted.
No. Wait, what did that say?
Order submitted.
Need a little bit more margin. We'll build that up. Thank you for the sacrifice, Lord. Nice little cross here. Need a strong push up is what we need. We're at the 21 EMA on my 5 minute chart here, so I feel like it's going to bounce to the upside. That's what I would like for to happen, but and on the 15 we're right here at the 9 EMA, so could come back down, but we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and push this trade into the break-even zone just so we don't lose, but I'm going to trail it. Trail it up. We need a nice little win on this account. I'll take 20 bucks. Nice. 25.
Stop filled.
All right. We're in the green on all our accounts now. That could be just a temporary run up, so I'm going to be careful. Good morning, Cave. How you doing, bud? All right, we got our trade on the live account. I'm going to switch back over to funded and evals. I think I'm done with my funded for now till tomorrow. Chilling. I like the new setup. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I'm just testing it out. YouTube's giving me some sort of error though. Says you need to change the video resolution. Uh, but it seems to be working, so I'm gonna leave it as is for now. If YouTube gives me any trouble, I'll look to make a few changes. But for now, we're gonna hold up. I do like it though. Seems a little bit more trader oriented. See the chart a little better. All right, so I feel like this was kind of our bottom here. Kind of work our way back to the top, or this could just reverse down. So we'll wait for the candle confirmation. I don't think you need the chat on the screen. Yeah, I don't know either. I'm unsure whether I want to keep it or not. The only reason why I do is so when people watch the replay, they can see the chat. Yeah, I know you can see it, but on the replay, no one can see it. So I don't know, man. That's the whole point for it to be there, the replay. Still pushing up. Push, push. I want to break 22,000 again. Can we pump higher? Let's find out.
Order submitted.
All right, now we're two
Order
contracts
submitted.
to the upside here. Could have been a bad move, but we're trading evals mostly. Got to take that risk. It's looking good to the upside, in my opinion. So, hang tight. Set this to break even. Watch it climb. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pop out. There we go.
Order canceled.
Guess we made like $100 something on that trade. Watching the replay now. About 145. I'll take it. Payouts should be this week. We'll see. Just one so far. The other one I've been building up from a bad deficit. But right now on my funded accounts, I'm looking for $250 a day on each one. No more, no less. So I got to get through that buffer, which I'm almost through on one. I haven't had a payout in over 3 weeks. It's time to get some payouts. So I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. Every day's been green, been calm, and taking my trades. And I think I'm pretty much done for the day. Same here, need some money. I don't necessarily need the money, but I do want the money, so. Should have stayed in that long position. Nice. My take profit, which is this one, this is a 25K account. And we're at 25,900. Got a little bit more to pop on that one. Then the other take profit, we're almost past. Have you placed any trades today, Cave? They looking all right? P&L? Gotcha. My live, I took a couple of days of losses, so we're down quite a bit, but we'll bounce it back. It's fine, follow my setups. Yeah, that's all you can do, man. I've been focused on trading less. I don't think I've lost a trade today. Let me check. I take that back. I did lose a trade on my live account earlier. But it was only like $20. Let's see. Log in. Just gonna go to my. These are my Apex. Let's see. Today. Okay, I guess we lost one trade. We're at 60% win rate. Average win 90, average loser trade 37. When did we take a loss? Oh, I dollar cost average, so that's why it's a loss. Didn't quite make it to the top there. It was a 27 second trade. Oh, no, I know what that is. For some reason, it as soon as I closed, I had an entry in, then it didn't do my stop. So I did a buy sell stop and it changed it and it started shorting the market on me. I don't know what happened there, but only down 230 in each account. Nice. Keep those losses small. Yeah, keep the losses small. Mosty says, hey man, big fan of watching the trading live. Quick question, how long do you take to pass accounts? It really just depends on how aggressive I want to be, but here lately I've been kind of taking it easy. So take profit trader, obviously I'll take the 5 days, and then Apex 2 or 3 days, sometimes a little more, just depends. Like today, for example, here's one of my accounts, Tradeify. We're at 521, so we're 1,500 to the green, halfway there. Today I am at $442 in the green, and I probably won't trade it anymore unless I see a good setup. Not really sure. So, I mean, I'm passing evals in a day, 2 days, 3 days, sometimes a little longer. I've been working on for a couple days now, since Thursday, Friday. I'm not trying to be too aggressive anymore. That's how I lose. I'm an aggressive trader, and that's kind of a gambling mindset, so I don't want to be that trader anymore, especially doing live. Live, I feel like I always have to be in a trade, so I'm learning to control my impulse. sitting here watching the market, waiting for some reaction. Yeah, long term is what the goal is. I want to build up to 30 funded accounts and trade 250 a day each one. $250 in profit times 30, 30 times 250. That's $7,500 a day, my friends. And $7,500 a day is pretty good. You times that, multiply that by 20 days in a month that you can trade, you're at $150,000 a month just off a $250 trade. Can you beat it? I'll take that. I'll take that 100%. That's what I'm working towards right now. Just going to keep trailing slowly and pray to God that we meet our goals. Cave said, that's hot. You got to put in the work. Yep, it's true. If you just take your time, I'm not in any kind of hurry. My bills are paid. There's food on my table. My home, we have a roof over our head. I own another business. I'm sitting in my office right now. So take my time from here on out. We're not looking to get rich overnight. If you're trying to get rich overnight, man, you can't win like that. I've also decided that I'm going to take a $500 loss max on any day, any given day. $500 and I'm done for the day. So, and I'm probably not going to copy trade all 30 accounts when I get them. I'm going to probably 5 at a time, just so I'm limiting my risk. Mosty said, gotcha. Keep it up, dude. I love the content. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'm not your number one day trader, but I am a day trader. I do this full time. Made a lot of money. I've lost a lot of money. Never copy trade them, but maybe just a couple. Yeah, 3 to 5. I feel like it's a good number, especially when I get to that high of account numbers. I want to limit my risk. 1 or 2, maybe 3 or 4 trades a day. Good to go. The problem I feel like I'm going to have is when I copy trade 3-5 accounts, 3 to 5, and I'm like, man, I just made 250. I'm done with those. I should have copy traded all of them. I feel like it's going to mess with my mental a little bit. But we'll see how it goes. That way you can take a couple loss in each account. The rest of the accounts are green. Yeah, I'm with you. I've actually turned my copier off now, and I'm going to trade individual accounts from this point. I need to actually trade this one here. Yeah, I agree, Cave. Kind of at the top of the range here, so wait for a nice little pullback. I kind of want to get in because I think it might pop, but I don't want to risk too much.
Order filled.
We'll DCA our way up if we have to. Worst case scenario, you get to a payout on one. Yeah, I'm sure I can get to a payout on all of them. I'm decent enough of a trader to make that happen. I will say, since I've started live streaming, it's been helping out as far as like learning to control myself, because Before, I was always just in trades. I always felt like I had to be in a trade.
Order filled.
And I'm not taking this trade now because of that, but I'm taking this trade because I expect it to go up. And I'm just looking for a little bit of money. Not a lot, you know? $100, 50, 50, 100. Just slowly moving my way to the top.
Scalping.
Slow and steady wins the race. But yeah, you're right. At least one gets to a payout, or one group of the 30. Hopefully I can get there in the next 30 days to 60 days. We'll see. Here soon in the next couple months, September is my busy season for my business, so I'm going to be trading less anyway. So I'll sit here and try to make my money and run. And others will follow. Yeah, we should all have the same goal. Which account am I on now? 39. Take another
Order
buy here.
filled.
My wife has summoned me to bring her some food. Go ahead and set this into the green here. Trail it up. Make $100. Nice. See what I mean? I wish I was copy trading this trade here because it's a nice little swing to the up. It's hard to have 30 accounts and not want to copy trade them all. Yeah, I agree. It's not really hard for me to not copy trade. Maybe the first initial trade or so, but I'm just gonna rotate. I'm not gonna do much copying. I'm gonna copy 250 with up to 250 on each account, but 3 to 5 accounts. Why are my Tradeify funded not showing? Or my take profit? Reset. All right, let's see. Which account do I want to trade now? I think she can come down to the 21,980 range before it pops up again. But on the 15-minute, we're looking pretty bullish. I'm almost certain this red candle we're on now is going to turn green. Beautiful cross. Thank you, Lord, for your sacrifice. So, Mosty, I've never seen you here. Are you a new viewer? At least I don't remember. Regardless, welcome in. All right, we're hitting that 9 EMA. Do we push through? It's kind of doing the same thing. Congrats on getting started, man. Where are you from? Are you in the U.S. or out of the country? I'm going to risk a buy position here.
Order filled.
Georgia. Okay. I used to live in Cartersville, Georgia, close to Atlanta. You're not far from me. I'm in Tennessee, Middle Tennessee. And actually, I was in Georgia the other day at Lake Winnie Saturday. I'm burnt to a crisp on my back. Took our kids to do a little swimming. We rode a roller coaster. Lost my hat. I'm not wearing a hat. I haven't bought one yet, but I will probably. All right, I was thinking about dollar cost averaging, but I'm going to wait and just stay one contract in. Let it rip up a little more and set it to close to break even. Guaranteed green. Got about 1 minute and 30 seconds left of this candle. It's unusually hot here right now. What part of Georgia are you from? LOL, get a bucket hat. Nah, I usually buy the same hat over and over again. It's I can't even remember the brand. I usually get it at Buc-ee's. Nice little retrace. Let's go ahead and start ourselves to green, guaranteed in the green, and follow it up unless it stops us out.
Filled.
And we're out. I'm gonna buy in again
Order
here.
filled.
Yeah, it's pretty hot here too. Mostly it's humid. I miss being out west. California heat is a dry heat. It's so nice. I want to de-risk and play the retrace. Come on, baby. Yeah, humid's hot. Atlanta's nice though. I like the Atlanta area. Well, the outskirts of Atlanta. Cartersville. I forgot some of the names there, but I did a lot of granite in Atlanta. Countertops. Back in the day. Well, what are you doing, market? Go ahead and take our profit.
Stop filled.
I think I'm pretty much done for the day. I have an almost 100% win rate. Thanks, Cave. See you tomorrow, bud. Thanks for popping in. See you tomorrow, sir. I'm fixing to hop off here anyway. Gotta go get the wife some food. Yeah, we're at 75% win rate. Everything looks good. Yeah, I think I'm done trading for the day. I'm gonna go spend time with my family. And I got a bunch of past due clients to call, so appreciate you guys coming to hang out. Camera keeps cutting itself off. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Hope you have a blessed evening. Thank you. Peace.